Hey guys, good morning. Coach here. First day of May. First trade was a win. It was a strategy number 3. This one on the screen, which is play number 2, is also a strategy number 3. And again, depending upon where you're at in your training on what you're actually looking for. So we're on USD CHF. Everybody starts out on Euro USD, and it's got the most volume and it's traded the most, so this is an easy one to learn on. And you can see here you're pushing up the high. So remember, when you're bull candles, these white candles, your mindset, your job is those candles are trying to push that blue line up. How long is it going to take? Can I get any plays in there? And you can see it's continually pushing it now. So because it's pushing that line, when in doubt, zoom out. How high can it push it? Well, I can go back as far as I can go on my computer, and I can see it hadn't been that high in a long time. So that means at some point in time it's going to stop. It's going to concede and say, okay, that's high enough. Now let's go see if we can make a new low. And that's a doji candle. So it's probably still going to try to push it up. The key word is probably, right? I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. We can use technical analysis and fundamental analysis to come up with a theory, but it's like most theories. A theory is not worth anything until you can prove it. So we're on USD-CHF, and our theory is a 4-step binary process in which you have to give it the specified amount of time and you can't stop it. And what that not stopping, that specified amount of time, what that's doing is that's building patience, right? Because most people, most new traders, they just don't have patience. They want to be winning all the time. And the reality of it is you can literally set in a 2-hour window, 2-hour time frame, and not get any good setups. Now, based on your skill set, your mindset, your risk tolerance, and how big of an account you're playing with, not a good setup could be a C trade, low in the trend, don't have much time. I'm going to be here 2 hours. I'm going to take a trade. That's exactly what trade number 1 was. It was very low in the curve. We're doing the exact opposite. We're trying to push the blue line down. And the blue line was back here when we started. So that's why I do these live so you can see the screenshots. So when you know strategy 3 and say, I see all the steps, should I take it or not? John Blue, you're going to get to watch this one hit live maybe. John Blue says, yes, I'm going to take it. He's not playing with money. He's just learning the system so that when it gets down there and hits 0.1 pip, which means it was green, so I could have literally had my stop loss there and won 0.1 pip. What is 0.1 pip worth? It's different for everybody. So we're looking for 1 full pip, and you're at 4/10 now, so you're almost at a half a pip. What does a half a pip look like? It looks like now it's getting ready to hit it. It's at 9/10 of 1 pip. So that 1 pip, I'm going to take the screenshot for you. That 1 pip, what's it worth, right? And so to kind of keep it fair, I share my screen for transparency. That 1 pip is worth $30, right? So that one trade just made $30. The trade before that just made $30. Yesterday, I was trading $10 a pip, but I let one trade go all the way to 10 pips. So, golly, it's a long journey. I mean, I've been telling people to get to the stage where you can do this the way that I think most people want to do it. It's a 4-year process, right? And I jokingly say this, but I kind of mean it. It's 4 years from the time you start doing it right. So if you flounder around with it for 2 or 3 years, it might take you 6 years. And what I mean by that is you need structure. I need structure. You need structure. Any professional needs structure. They don't just let doctors run around the hospital milly-vanilly doing whatever they want. Lawyers have to follow a code of ethics and a book of rules and laws. It's the same thing here. So I want to make sure you guys understand that, I'm trying to give you everything that I can give